Edo State government don ready to throw body put on top road construction for rural communities dem wey dey for Ubiaja, Iruekme and Ogugu area for Edo State. And dem ready to chook eye put inside the construction so that the road dem go strong well and boost economic growth for the rural communities. Toju Onaiwu wey be the project coordinator on top Edo State Employment and Expenditure for Results (C4) talk say dis project na part of Governor Godwin commitment to take carry development go different corners for Edo State. E say monitoring team dey for project sites to make sure say all the work wey dem dey do dey standard and to make sure say all the contractors dem finish the work for the time when dem talk. E say work don start for Opodi Junction for Ekpoma and Edo State government don start rehabilitation work for the part of Benin-Auchi Expressway wey be spoil and people wey dey pass the road don dey pass the road easily now. E say road construction na still the #1 thing for Governor Godwin administration, and this one go open more areas for Edo State to get socio-economic activities plenty. Na so we see am reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today, as Governor Godwin don put plans for ground to make sure say development waka reach all the corner wey dey for inside Edo State.